Tonight, the sky is preparing for something extraordinary. Imagine looking up at the moon you see every night, calm, bright, and familiar, suddenly turning a deep, glowing red. This is not science fiction, it is reality. Tonight, billions of people across the world will witness the 2025 Blood Moon Eclipse, one of the most dramatic celestial events of our time. But what exactly is happening? Why does the moon turn red? And why do so many cultures around the world see it as mysterious or even dangerous? Let's find out. First, the science. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes directly between the sun and the moon. Normally, the sunlight falls on the moon, making it shine bright in the night sky. But during an eclipse, Earth blocks that sunlight. If the alignment is perfect, the Earth's shadow completely covers the moon. This is what we call a total lunar eclipse. But instead of disappearing into darkness, the moon transforms into a glowing red or orange ball. This is the blood moon. So, why does it turn red instead of black? The answer lies in our own atmosphere. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter wavelengths like blue and green get scattered, while the longer red and orange wavelengths bend around the Earth and fall onto the moon. It's the same effect that makes sunsets look fiery red. So, in a way, during a lunar eclipse, the moon is bathed in the light of all the sunsets and sunrises happening on Earth at that very moment. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, let's talk about myths and legends. Across history, people were often terrified of the blood moon. In some cultures, it was seen as a bad omen, a sign of disaster or war. Ancient civilizations believed the red moon meant the gods were angry. In Incan mythology, a jaguar was said to be attacking and eating the moon. In some parts of India, people avoided eating or drinking during an eclipse, believing it was unsafe. Even today, superstitions remain in some communities. But science tells us otherwise. The blood moon is perfectly safe to watch, and it's a reminder of how far human understanding has come. So, what makes the 2025 blood moon eclipse special? Firstly, it's one of the rarest total eclipses of the decade. The moon will be completely red for several minutes, giving skywatchers a breathtaking view. Unfortunately, not everyone will get to see it with their naked eye. In the UK, the eclipse will be partly visible in the early hours, while in the United States, the full eclipse won't be directly visible for most regions. But thanks to live streams and telescopes, people worldwide can still experience it. Beyond the beauty, this event is also a great reminder of how small we are in the universe. Just think about it, a ball of rock, thousands of kilometers away, turning red simply because sunlight bent through our thin layer of atmosphere. Events like these connect us, not just to the cosmos, but to each other. Tonight, millions of people in different countries, speaking different languages, will look at the same red moon. It's a shared human moment, something rare in today's divided world. So, if you are lucky enough to watch the blood moon eclipse tonight, don't just glance and walk away. Take a moment. Think about the science, the history, and the beauty above your head. This red moon is not a warning sign. It is not a curse. It is a gift from nature, a show that reminds us of the wonders of the universe. And if you miss it, don't worry, we'll bring you all the highlights right here on this channel. Remember, the sky has endless stories to tell, and we are here to explain them in the simplest way possible. So, tell me in the comments, do you believe in the myths of the blood moon, or do you see it as a scientific marvel? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos where we simplify the most fascinating events shaping our world and our skies. Because the universe is talking to us, all we need to do is look up.